New in the Forex market. This market may sound really complicated and scary to tackle, but it's not. Just like in any kinds of trade, you make money when you buy low and sell high. Forex trading is simply trading currencies in the Forex market. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. It generates trillions of dollars of currency exchanges every day, and it operates 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, therefore, also making it the most liquid market in the world. In the world of Forex, trading in this very liquid market is very unique compared to other financial market like stocks. Since the Forex market operates 24 hours a day worldwide, which starts at Sydney and ends in New York, trading is not centralized in one location. You can trade in Forex whenever you want, regardless of the local time. In the past, Forex trading was only offered to large financial institutions, like banks. And it was also only offered to large companies, multinational corporations and large currency dealers. This is because of the large and extremely strict financial requirements the Forex market imposed. This means that individual traders and small businesses are not able to participate in this liquid market. However, in the late 90s, Forex was made available to individual traders and small businesses. This is due to the advances in the communications technology. High-speed internet made it possible for people to enter the Forex market and have become one of the best make-money-at-home businesses. Forex trading is getting more and more popular each day. Besides, who wouldn't want to trade in the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world? Trading in Forex will certainly give you the opportunity to earn a lot of money. However, trading in this ever-liquid market also has its risk. It is a fact that many people who traded in Forex lost a substantial amount of money, and some of these people are seasoned traders. This is why it is very important for you, as a beginner trader in the Forex market, to have the proper knowledge and education on how to trade in the Forex market. Firstly, there are hundreds or even thousands of available websites in the internet that offers Forex education. Some of these websites offer dummy Forex trading, where you can practice trading in the Forex market using dummy money. These programs will really take you closer to actually trading in Forex. Many experts say that you'll never really understand how Forex really works until you trade it in the market. So, if you want to learn how to trade Forex, you may want to sign up for a dummy account that numerous Forex trading websites offer. With a dummy account, you can trade Forex by not using real money at all. With this program, you can practice your knowledge and skills in trading in the Forex market and not waste money. To get started in trading in this market, all you need is a computer with a high-speed internet connection, a funded Forex account, and a trading system. These three simple things are enough to get you started in Forex trading. In order for you to minimize the risk of losing money, you need to have some basic knowledge in charting before you start trading. In most Forex trading systems, Forex charts are there to assist you with your trades. Forex charts are a visual representation of the exchange rates of currencies. This is where you will mostly base your decisions to buy and sell currencies. You have to learn how to read the different Forex charts in order for you to successfully trade in the Forex market. Each Forex chart is different, although they represent the same fluctuations. For example, in the daily Forex chart, you can evaluate market trends in the past 24 hours to help you make decisions on the next 24 hours of trading. In the hourly chart, you can use this chart to spot trends within the day. And, in the 15-minute chart, where it can help you recent currency fluctuations in a 15-minute interval to help you decide on which currency to buy and sell. Sometimes, there are 5-minute chart available to better help you get closer to the action. These are the basics on how to trade in the Forex market. Always remember that aside from the promising earning potential that you can have in the Forex market, there are also underlying risks that you have to consider. It is therefore wise to trade in this market with a proper investment plan and strategy. If you are just starting out to trade in Forex, consider opening a dummy account to help you practice trading Forex without risking money. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.